Hey developers, Barclays is hiring for the software engineer role for the Pune location. Let's move to the qualification. Java with strong hands-on experience in React, Spring, MVC and Spring Boot. Cloud technologies like OpenShift, AWS, Azure or similar means Google Cloud. Other thing is no prior experience required, 5 days of working in office means Pune location full time. You can read here about the roles and responsibilities. Development of delivery of high quality software solution by using industry aligned programming language frameworks and tools. Ensuring that code is scalable, maintainable and optimized for performance. Cross-functional collaboration with product managers, designers and other engineers to define software requirement, devise solution strategies and ensure seamless integration and alignment with business objectives. Collaboration with peers, participate in code reviews and promote a culture of code quality and knowledge sharing. Implementation of effective unit testing practice to ensure proper coding design, readability and reliability means testing. So apply now and subscribe skilllayer for more job updates and comment if you have any questions.